In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trading ABC indicators in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. What matters is that you can see your regular chart on the screen. To start, look toward the top of your chart for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any tools or scripts to your chart. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The Indicators button is still there, often labeled Indicators and Strategies. Once the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search bar. This lets you quickly filter through all of the built-in and community indicators available in TradingView, instead of scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search bar, type Trading ABC. Take your time and make sure you spell it correctly so the right tools appear. As you type, TradingView will start showing you results that match that name. When you see the Trading ABC indicator that you want to use, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, and you should see new lines, labels, or visuals appear, depending on how this indicator is designed. After the indicator is on your chart, the next important step is to fine-tune it. To do that, look for the indicator name at the top left of your chart area. Next to the name, you'll see a small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click on that to open the settings panel for the Trading ABC indicator. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs, styles, and visibility. This is where you can change things like colors, line thickness, or any parameters the script allows you to modify. Take a moment to explore these options and customize the indicator so it's easy for you to read and matches your trading style. If you're not sure what a particular input does, a good approach is to change one setting at a time and see how it affects the chart. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, or you're looking to upgrade, use the link in my video description to sign up. That link will take you directly to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page, making the process quick and straightforward. And that's it. You've added the Trading ABC indicator, adjusted its settings, and you know where to go if you need a pro account to get the most out of it.